I've had a lot of people ask me if they are carrying too many pounds to be able to go to the gym. The answer to that is no, never. Now, if you're worried that you're going to be walking in and you're going to be standing out because everyone's going to be looking athletic, that is very, very wrong, because the majority of people in gyms do not have perfect bodies. The majority of people in gyms are still building up. They're still growing that muscle, or they're still working their way to reduce those pounds. They're still on that journey. So no matter where you are, when you walk into the gym, you are not going to stand out. Even the most athletic person in the room, chances are they started off significantly overweight. Just remember, the gym mindset is self-improvement. You will have massive respect when you walk into a gym because everyone knows you are there to improve. You have had the courage, you have had the confidence to take control of your life. You've made that decision to improve yourself, and you're going to have massive respect for that. So it doesn't matter where you are, it doesn't matter what you look like, it doesn't matter how many pounds you are carrying, get yourself into the gym because you are taking control of your life, and you will have respect for that. Just remember, you do you. Now, if you are feeling uncomfortable in your body, you don't have to be wearing this tight, skimpy gym gear. No, just walk in a big black baggy t-shirt and that is fine. Just walk in with confidence because you are here to improve. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, because if you found it helpful, this will help get this video out there into the world and hopefully help other people as well.